If you could go back and either tell your previous self or someone who's in that same situation where you're having back pain, you're having leg pain, and you're starting to try things that haven't worked, whether it's a lot of physical therapy or injections, what would be your advice or what would be your message to someone in that situation?
Education is the key to all of our problems. When we have trouble, we have to learn more to overcome the fear. I was terrified. I was not going to let anybody operate on my spine because I never talked to anybody, not one person who had a positive thing to say about spine surgery. What's happened in the world of spine healthcare over just the last 6 years has just been incredible in terms of these medical device companies like Invasive in San Diego who are just driving this revolution and changing everything with the minimally invasive techniques and all the new equipment.
A lot of times I'm asked by patients, how do I know if I'm ready for surgery? Why do it now versus wait? There does seem to be a moment when people realize that it's time. And can you speak to that?
Everybody waits too long because you always think you're going to get better. I wish I knew then what I know now.
You've had an amazing career. Basketball, commentating, you've been an MVP, Hall of Fame, but now you're here spending your time with us, sharing your story about back pain. What is it that makes you so passionate about sharing your story?
I'm lucky, Dr. Poulter, because you and your partners and your team, you've given me my life. But with that comes the responsibility that I have and the duty and the obligation to look around at these other people who are terrified and who are right now where I used to be. And so it's our job as patients, as advocates, as a support group and organization with the Better Way Back to come and work with these people on both sides. Because it's tough coming in, it's tough going out, and you're right in the middle. And we can never thank you enough. Oh my gosh, I'm the luckiest guy in the world.